What's up, guys? This is Billy Chef as your mentor. So today I just deposited this $74 and I'm gonna be flipping it to a huge number. Okay, my target is $10,000. So let's see if we can get to that target. Okay, so today I have a setup on US 30. Okay, so on US 30, I think the setup is even ready right now. Looking at US 30, we can see US 30 is in a ranging market. Ranging market means that the market is not going to a straight direction, it's going up and down. Okay, so and we have this resistance level right now. Okay, so it is a broker robbery area. So immediately market came down, it went straight to the entry again. So we are making our entry. So guys, the market is very volatile right now. The market is very volatile. This is a news period, so that is why it is saying all that. Okay, so let's reduce our lot size and enter. Then later when news is over, so there is news, that's why there is this kind of movement. So later when there is no news, we can then start adding more position. Okay, because exchange during news they normally reduce spread to avoid blowing accounts. Okay, so that's why they do that. So we're too, let's do it gradually since there is news right now. Boom. So guys, we are back again, and it's our profit is now running about $1,500 plus in profit. Okay, so I waited after news then stack up more trades. Okay, so you can see, so immediately as the market started going up, so the news was over and then the market started to go up. Okay, but it came down to, do some kind of the blue pattern. Let me show you guys. Okay, so it came down one more time a little, then it started going up. So as at that time there was a enough rejection already, so I believe that, yeah, it's already confirmed. So then when it started going up with strong candle, so i added I added more buys. Okay, so you can see the strong rejection the second time again. So when it started going up, I added more position and then I just left it. Okay, to avoid over risking, so I left it. So you can see the rejection now. You see the last rejection. So I then entered after the rejection. Yeah, I entered more trade, and then from then it just started going up. Alright, so you can see the very strong bullish candle there. So I ride everything to the upside, and we are running over 1.5k now. Okay, so over $1,540 in profit right now. So I think this profit is enough. So let's close these trades for now. Let's close this trade. So guys, the reason why I can enter big lot size and it's not bringing too much huge profit is because this is your starting micro lot. Okay, so if it is the main standard lot, it will be bigger and you can't enter this lot. Alright, so guys, all positions closed now. All positions closed, and we are up $1,625.6 in profit. So what we need to do now is to go look for another setup and then take this account to a huge number. Okay, so let's take it to a huge number. So guys, I have a new setup here on US 30. Okay, so this is US 30. US 30 have been falling. Okay, so US 30 have been falling. So today, and currently it's on the broker robbery 2.0 zone, so at the middle zone. Okay, so and our news is showing us a serious buy right now, a very serious buy. That is what I just got from news, from fundamentals. So I'm going to be entering buy now. So I've entered three positions now with four lot size. Okay, so now we are going to watch, and then if the market start going up, we'll be adding more positions. Okay, so if the market start going up, we can start adding more position. We can start stacking up. I expect this market to reach up to this resistance area. Okay, so I expect it to reach that resistance area there. So for now, let's just wash out, and then as it goes up, we stack in more positions. So let's see what happened.
A few moments later.
Boom. So guys, we are back again and we are up about $11,000 in profit right now. Guys, this is massive. Okay. So guys, I reduced my leverage, guys. I reduced my leverage because I started stacking too much. Okay, so I started stacking too much, so I don't want to add more after I added that last one when market broke and retest that resistance. So I reduced my leverage so that I can stop stacking in, because anything market can, do a reversal or something or pullback. So guys, you see what happened immediately as it started going up. I added some positions, and then after the resistance I added more positions. So right now, I told you guys my plan is to take the account to 10,000, and it's currently running 10,400 right now. So I'm okay with this profit. So let's close this trade. Let's close this trade. So $10,000 was the target, and we have achieved the target, guys. So the only broker that will allow you to do this is Sexness Broker. So I will send the link to I'll post the link on this video description so that you can register. And also these two signals I use to flip account, I send these signals out for free. So on this video description, I'll post the link there. Okay, so let's close this trade. This is a massive profit. Boom. All positions closed and we managed to bag $10,798.92. All right, so this is almost $11,000. Okay, so we succeeded in flipping this account successfully. Okay, so I shared the trade with my broker robbery members before I took it also. Okay, so I shared with them the analysis, and also the signal I sent it out both free and VIP signal channel. I sent it out everywhere for the both trades. Okay, so because I want everyone to flip their account. Okay, so if you have small account, I think my signal is the best for you. Okay, because I target sniper entry signal. If you check the trades which I use to flip this account, those are sniper entry trades mainly for flipping account. Okay, so if you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to smash like button and subscribe to the channel, and also comment. Okay, thanks.